Welcome to another 5-minute flower. The one I am doing today is super simple and it is used very often. I have a whole hoop that is just these flowers. This one actually has a stitch named after it. It's called the woven wheel. So I'm starting with my normal 2 strands of thread. And I'm going to create 5 stitches going in towards each other. You can draw this out ahead of time, but I usually don't. It doesn't matter, whatever you feel comfortable with. So just simple straight lines, and you're going to do 5 of them. So again, you can stitch this out ahead of time. You can draw a circle and then just have the 5 lines going in so that it's even, or you can eyeball it. So once that's finished, you're going to go up right as close to the center as you can. And then you're going to put your needle over the first stitch, but not underneath the fabric. And then you're going to go under the second one. Then you're going to skip one. So go over that one and then go under the next one. So you get the idea. You're going to go under and up, under and up, and you're going to keep doing that, skipping every other one. Don't pull your thread too tight, but you want to make sure that it's touching, and it's going to go around in a swirl, kind of like a cinnamon bun, if you will. If you miss one, you can always put your needle back through like I did here. I accidentally skipped over 2 instead of just 1, so I'm just going to pull it back and start again, and then go under that one, and then over the next one. So as you're doing this, because you're not pulling your thread super tight, the flower is going to keep getting bigger and bigger. So you just keep going until those 5 original stitches cannot be seen anymore. So here I'm running out of thread and I'm not going to be able to finish, so I'm going to put my needle down through the fabric, tie it off, and get more thread onto my needle, and then I'm going to go back up right where I put the needle down into the fabric, and then you can continue with the every other. So you're going to go over the next one because the one you just did was under, over the next one, and then under the next one after that. Then you're going to do the same thing when you finish it off. You can put your needle right down through the fabric. Make sure all of those original spikes are covered. And then I'm just doing 2 cute little leaves using the fishbone stitch. So 1 small stitch, and then you're going to go up next to it, but a little bit lower, and then put it through a little bit lower than that original one, and you can keep going as big as you want your leaf. I usually do 2 off to one side, but you can do as many as you want. And that is it. Cute little rose, also called the woven wheel.